Get some. As we prep these jalapenos for our jalapeno poppers, we're just going to cut off the tips. Of course, we're going to wash these jalapenos first. Cut them in half. We want to make sure when we cut them in half that they're going to lay flat inside of our whatever we decide to cook it in. Now we're just going to go ahead and we're going to gut these. Alright, so now that our jalapenos are halved and gutted, we have what's left over of our shredded barbecue beef. Now we're going to add a brick of cream cheese. Doesn't matter what brand you go with, it's whatever you like. So now we're just going to take it. We've had that cream cheese sitting for about an hour out of the refrigerator for an hour so it gets soft, so it's easier to work with. Then we'll cook it until the bacon becomes crispy the way you like it. Alright, so we got maple smoked bacon here. We're going to just start stuffing these, wrapping them, putting them in our air fryer pan, and away we go. And if you have any leftover of the barbecue shredded beef with the cream cheese mix for those jalapeno poppers, it makes a great dip. Get some. Oh yeah, smoky, barbecuey, creamy deliciousness. There it is. It's a mouthful to say, but we got the smoked barbecue shredded beef, cream cheese, stuffed jalapeno, wrapped in bacon. Get some. It's delicious. Get that smoky flavor from the meat. Definitely taste the beef, taste the maple that's inside the bacon. This is awesome. You guys should try some. Cheers. Woohoo!